In this aid, we will voice our own and market's viewpoint on BCH future while talking about Bitcoin money cost estimate for 2022 and then some. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you ought to think about this and some other expectation while considering other factors, since foreseeing anything is a difficult errand in every practical sense, not to mention anticipating the eventual fate of a novel, exceptionally unpredictable monetary resource like Bitcoin money. Presently, how about we head into it? Before we dig profound into the Bitcoin money value expectation and answer questions in the event that BCH is a wise speculation or not. For what reason will BCH succeed or fizzle, or for what reason will Bitcoin money value rise or drop? We should rapidly, in a real sense, toss a look at what is BCH and its to-date history. In mid-2017, a gathering of designers needing to expand Bitcoin's block size limit arranged a code change. The change, called a hard fork, produced results on the 1st of August 2017. Thus, the Bitcoin record called the blockchain and the digital money split in two. Bitcoin money generally was made out of strain among early Bitcoin financial backers over rising exchange expenses and progressively unique feelings on the best on-chain scaling answers for Bitcoin in a significant manner. Bitcoin money likewise focuses on severe adherence to what is referred to Satoshis as vision for the kind of unique Bitcoin, seeing distributed exchanges as the guiding principle suggestion of the organization and the variable that ought to for the most part be improved versus other contending factors like security. It varies from different renditions in that it empowered the increment of the block size from 1 MB to 8 MB, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. Its truly by and large objective in a real sense is to build the quantity of exchanges that can be handled by the organization, trusting that Bitcoin money will actually want to contend with the volume of exchanges that industry monsters like PayPal and Visa can right now process. Bitcoin money value expectation. The entire crypto world is on an edge of an undeniable, basically bear market. Bitcoin has drooped half from its unsurpassed high in the midst of the more extensive market drops affected by seething expansion, and US took care of rate increment. Financial backers are selling hazardous resources and moving into genuinely more steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an exceptionally unsafe sort of play, and thus the auction. Our algo still sees some green in 2022, particularly in the second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2022 expectations amazingly. At the present time, Bitcoin generally needs to find a kind of nearby base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many for the most part times in the removed and kind of later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days with a sprinkle of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We sort of expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their packs around that time, which will cause a commonplace and unexpected crypto spike. Captain Altcoin Group made a cost forecast model with a diverse way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and basic evaluation of each undertaking. Essentials that we fundamentally assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, showcasing endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative potential, and a few truly other restrictive variables created in our crypto lab in an unobtrusive way. 2022 1014. 0.00% $118.25 in a significant manner. 2022 1015 in an unpretentious manner. Plus 5.64% $124. 9220221016, which is very critical. 3.72% $113. 8520221017, or so they thought. 0.96% $117. 1220221018 in an unpretentious manner. 1.25% $116. 7720221019 plus 3.46% $1223420221020, which is genuinely critical. 1.31% $116.70. 2022 1021 plus 0.84% $1192520221022. 4.50% $112 9320221023. 2.60% $115 1720221024 plus 1.12% $119.58. Bitcoin money value expectation 2022. Most of specialists fundamentally concur that this bear market will, in every practical sense, last basically for the primary quarter of 2022 preceding. We basically see a few adjustment and little pattern inversion. The expectation model brings market feeling into a record and responds as needs be, as opposed to mainstream thinking. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of 2022. 2022 NAV. 22.43% $91.73 2022 DEC 34.09% $77.94 2023 Jan 24.68% $89.07 2023 Feb 25.65% $87.92 2023 Blemish 13.62% $102.14 2023 APRA 11.83% $104.26 2023 May 4.74% $112.64 2023 June 4.68% $112.72 2023 Joe plus 4.31% $123.34 2023 AUG plus 9.83% $129.87 2023 SEC plus 13.54% $134.27 2023 AUG plus 14.00% $134.80 BCH value expectation 2025. Or so they thought. Our forecast model sees BCH coming to $234.13 in 2025. What will BCH in a real sense be worth in 5 years in an unpretentious way? The cost of BCH in 5 years could truly lie around $206.25. Bitcoin money value forecast 2030 to 2040. What Bitcoin money will be all things considered worth in 2030. Our determining model sees Bitcoin money coming to $585.34 in 2030, or so they thought. What Bitcoin money will generally be worth in 2040. Our gauging model sees Bitcoin money coming to $1,170.67 in 2040. Will Bitcoin money in every practical sense supplant, outperform, explicitly overwhelm Bitcoin? No, Bitcoin money won't sort of supplant or for the most part overwhelm BTC. Could Bitcoin money at any point truly reach $1,000, which is genuinely critical? Indeed, Bitcoin money could basically reach $1,000 toward the finish of 2022. Is Bitcoin money worth purchasing? We are supporters of decently hazardous money management. Put the vast majority of your crypto portfolio in BTC, 35% in a bushel of large cap coins and the rest in little ventures with enormous potential gain. Thus, in this specific circumstance, Bitcoin money is certainly worth purchasing. Is Bitcoin money a truly wise venture? Bitcoin money is, very much like any remaining digital currencies, an unsafe speculation. It has higher likelihood of going up than down due to the kind of good use case, very much planned tokenomics, lovely dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it. What amount will Bitcoin money be worth? For the momentary future, it could reach $72.37. In the long haul, it could leap to $585.34 or significantly higher in a huge manner. For what reason will Bitcoin money for the most part succeed and get more expensive? Bitcoin money has a decent use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and a really strong group behind it. These are an essential for progress, and to that end our expectation